Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us. It's great to see so many of you here again, or perhaps for the first time. In our last session, we covered a lot of ground. We walked through the enhanced dashboard, the campaign builder, commission validation, partnerships, and how to work with Ava. Hopefully you've had a chance to take the new Awin platform for a test drive since then. If you have any questions about what we covered previously, please feel free to drop them into the Q&A at any time. We'll make space to address them as we go. You may notice us running some polls in the background, and it would be great if you could answer them so we can have your feedback. Now, you might be wondering what's left to cover. The answer is quite a lot. Today's session is packed with updates, and we're really excited to showcase what's new. A recording of today's webinar will be available for you to view on our YouTube channel and our webinar centre soon, so don't worry about trying to take notes. So let's recap. New Awin is a bold new experience that gives you faster, smarter and more powerful ways to grow your partnerships. The new Awin platform has been designed to deliver a more intuitive, efficient and personalised user experience. It empowers you with smarter tools and streamlined navigation, enabling faster and more impactful interaction. During today's session, I'll be walking you through some of the platform's core areas. Starting on the 10th of March for Access customers and the 24th of March for Accelerate and Advanced, the new platform became the default Awin experience. When you logged in, new Awin automatically appeared as your main view. If you prefer to ease into the change, you can switch back by using the toggle, as some features still use Awin Classic. So what are we covering today? In this session, we'll focus on some key areas of new development: how advertisers can contact support in the new Awin platform, our new help centre, new platform features such as program profile updates and reporting enhancements, and finally, a brand new way to discover partners using Smart Search. First up, we'll take a look at the new Contact Us form, which was introduced to improve how advertisers get help by making it faster, clearer, and more efficient to route inquiries to the right team. Next, we'll show you the new Help Centre, created to make it easier for advertisers to find answers, learn about the platform, and get support without friction. We have an exciting update to a few of our reports and the way in which you can use them. And lastly, we'll show you our newly added program profile page and our new AI partnership Smart Search. So let's dive in. First up is contacting support in the new Awin platform. We've introduced a series of connected improvements to the new Awin self-service platform to reduce friction and improve efficiency for advertisers. From the 31st of March 2026, advertisers without a dedicated Awin contact can reach support via a new in-platform contact form. Available in all languages, the form uses AI-powered routing to direct requests to the right support team faster. The support journey has been designed to be more personalised and transparent. Because access is login-based, advertiser details and case history are automatically included. Advertisers can upload attachments, CC multiple recipients, edit the sender email, and view all past and open cases in one place. Built-in shortcuts to Ava and the Help Centre also encourage faster self-service where appropriate. So how can you access support? Opening the contact form is simple. From the new Awin dashboard, select the question mark in the top right-hand corner and choose Get Support from the drop-down. You'll be taken directly to the new Contact Us page. Here we offer our new Help Centre and Ava as sources of information that might help you find the answer without submitting a ticket. If you decide to submit a ticket, it's extremely easy. The new contact form is fully integrated into new Awin and designed to guide you to the right help quickly. The journey starts with a topic first flow, where you select what you need help with before creating your ticket. When submitting a ticket, you can include a detailed description of your issue and even upload attachments to provide full context, as shown in this example. You can also change the email address used for case communications and add up to 5 CC email addresses. These preferences are automatically applied for support agents and appear directly in Salesforce. You can now track your support requests directly in the platform by using My Tickets. From here, you can view a list of tickets you've created and see the current status of each one. One important thing to note is you'll only see the tickets created from your own Awin user account for a specific program. Tickets raised by other users on the same program won't be visible. Now let's talk about the refreshed Help Centre. Alongside these changes, the Help Centre, formerly known as the Success Centre, has been significantly refreshed and updated. We launched the new Help Centre to make it easier for advertisers to find answers, understand the platform, and get support without friction. As Awin continues to evolve, our previous Advertiser Success Centre no longer reflected how advertisers actually use the platform or search for information. Content was harder to scan, discoverability was limited, and newer features were not always supported in a clear, consistent way. The new Help Centre is designed to be clearer, faster, and more intuitive, so advertisers can get the right information at the right time. Advertisers can access the Help Centre at any time by clicking the question mark at the top right-hand corner of the homepage and then selecting Get Support and then Help Articles. So what needed to improve? We consistently saw that advertisers mentioned that they struggled to quickly find relevant articles, that they encountered content that was outdated or difficult to scan, and they needed more guidance for newer features and workflows. This often meant spending more time searching for answers or contacting support for questions that could have been resolved through self-service. So how can the new Help Centre help you? The new Help Centre focuses on clarity, discoverability, and relevance. Articles have been rewritten using clearer headings, simpler language, and a consistent style that supports faster scanning and comprehension. Topics have been reorganised into more intuitive categories, helping advertisers find what they need more quickly and reducing time to resolution. Content is written by Awin experts and covers advertisers, publishers, and developers. It includes help articles, best practice guides, and release notes, all designed to cut through jargon and explain concepts in a practical, easy to understand way. The Help Centre also includes direct links to the Developer Centre and the Webinar Centre, making technical documentation and training materials easier to access in one place. To support our global audience, the Help Centre is now available in 5 languages, creating a more consistent experience and making it easier for advertisers to find, understand, and act on information wherever they are. The new Help Centre plays an important role in the wider support journey by answering common questions up front and providing clearer guidance. It reduces unnecessary contact while ensuring more complex inquiries reach support teams with better context. We strongly encourage advertisers to use the Help Centre as their first point of self-service. It's a core part of the new Awin experience and a major refresh on the previous Advertiser Success Centre, helping advertisers get more value from the platform with confidence. Next, we move on to updates with your programme profile. The programme profile is now live on new Awin platform. The release represents a step forward in how advertisers present themselves to partners and maintains a compelling, up-to-date presence across the network. Programme Profile now has a dedicated home in the left navigation, making it easier to revisit and keeping information fresh. The interface has been fully redesigned to align with our updated design system, creating a cleaner and more intuitive experience. Advertisers can now upload and edit their logo using the simple zoom and positioning controls, ensuring a polished and professional look. If you click on the Edit Profile button at the top right of the page, you can add your social accounts, your regions, your categories, your programme description, and update the programme's contact. Editing these individual fields is faster and more focused, thanks to a new profile drawer, which keeps users in context while making changes. We've also refined the language across the profile to be clearer and more customer-friendly, making it easier for partners to understand where you sell and what you offer at a glance. So what's coming next? Looking ahead, terms and conditions will soon move into a dedicated section within the upcoming settings area. This release also lays the foundation for our new onboarding dashboard, where completing the program profile will be a key step for advertisers preparing to go live. So our next stop is around reporting and scheduled reports. We've also launched reporting and scheduled emails, which I know many of you will be super happy about, moving reporting from manual checks to proactive delivery. Until now, users had to log in to check performance with scheduled reports. Insights are delivered automatically. Setting up scheduling is super simple. Just pick the report you wish to run. In this example, we'll use the publisher report. And once you've filtered your data, you'll need to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Export. From the pop-up, you can choose to download the report, email it, or schedule it. If you click the Schedule Reoccurring Emails, you'll see this box pop up where you can define file type, the email recipients, you can customize the subject and message if sending to clients, and select the start and end date and the occurrence. As well as this amazing update, we've also updated a few widely used reports. So let's take a quick look. The Publisher Performance Report and the Performance Over Time Report have been newly updated. Now you can use filters to narrow the report to the publishers you want to view and analyse. You can explore data more visually by clicking on a bar, chart or segment to filter the report by that selection. You can choose the metrics you wish to filter the report by. If you just choose the drop down, you can switch between metrics like total revenue, transactions, and clicks. You can also export individual sections by hovering over any chart or table title to see the export option. And lastly, you can set up scheduling, which we've just spoken about. So next up is Smart Search for partner discovery. Smart Search is now available in the new Awin platform. This feature is designed to make partner discovery faster and more relevant and far less manual. You can find our Smart Search tool under Partnerships and Overview. Smart Search uses AI to match partner profiles to your prompt and show the best fit results, each with a percentage match score. Higher scores indicate a closer fit. Results are not recommendations. You can search by region, sector, partner type, or partner details, including natural language instead of rigid filters. Based on your intent, Smart Search returns the most relevant publisher profiles. With over 247,000 active publishers on Awin, Smart Search reduces irrelevant results and shortens the journey from discovery to activation, helping advertisers spend less time searching and more time building high-performing partnerships. So let's take a look at a search you might do here. You might type in influencer, UK, and skincare. You'll then see a list of top matches, which link through to profiles for you to decide if you want to invite them to your program. It's a great idea to vote if you find them relevant or not to help with these future recommendations. Finally, we move on to the commission details page. Now moving on to a further update from one we mentioned in the previous webinar is to the commissions details page. In Classic Awin, getting a full view of commission information isn't straightforward. Now in New Awin, simply click the commission ID to open a dedicated page with everything in one place. You can now easily view transaction details, commission payment, payment progress, click to conversion time, accepted domains, commission breakdown, and custom parameters. Even better, you can approve or decline commissions from this page, making the validation process quicker and more seamless. You will also notice the handy Help Centre links at the top right hand of the Review Commissions page. You can take a quick tour or you can get extra advice from our Help Centre. Along with this change, we are also excited to share that you can now edit the commissions table, giving users the flexibility to bring data points directly to the commission table view, so you can view everything on one page. So why does this matter? Since launch, we've heard consistent feedback through surveys and conversations that having more data visible upfront would make validation quicker and easier. With this update, users can now see the information they need exactly when they need it, helping make faster and more confident decisions. To use this new filter option, just navigate to the Commissions and then click on the Edit Table tab on the right-hand side. Here you can select up to 6 filters to be included in your table. Just choose the ones you want and then click Apply. So why does this help you? Well, now you can add additional data points to the Commissions table, remove data that's not relevant to your workflow, and create a cleaner, more personalised view to support validation decisions. What's next for Commissions? We're continuing to build on this momentum over the coming months with the ability to export commission data, giving users more control over what they want to export. Also, inline commission amendments, which is an Awin first. This will enable users to make changes directly within the UI to commissions. With that in mind, you might be wondering how the new commissions section is actually performing. The response so far has been incredibly positive. As of the 5th of May this year, 80% of users rated the new Commission UI 4 out of 5 for ease of use, and over 54,000 validation actions have been completed since launch and is growing every day. That brings us to the end of today's walkthrough. We've covered a lot from support and self-service improvements to powerful new tools for reporting and commission management. Thank you so much for joining us. We're excited to see how you use these updates in the new Awin platform. Thanks again and goodbye.